Oh, hey everybody. In the kitchen today preparing a few things. Got some wonderful things cooking up. I'm going to be cooking some shrimp and grits, crawfish macaroni and cheese, yakami, red beans, and barbecue shrimp. Yep. And also, once I finish from preparing all these ingredients here, I gotta make a cake on top of this, so it's pretty busy. I'm a little tired too. Yeah, but right now I'm preparing all of my ingredients. I'm just about to finish peeling all of my shrimp. I've been in here preparing all of my ingredients for about 2.5 hours, so I've been literally been at this for a good while. I had to chop up all my meats and seasonings. When it comes to cooking, it's very important when you cook big meals like what I'm about to cook in this video. It's very important that you prepare everything early, so that way you won't spend hours in the kitchen trying to prepare everything, and then on top of that you got to cook everything. It's just, you know, prepare everything early, so that way when you cook your stuff, only thing you got to do is just cook it. That's it, you know. Put a lot of work into my cooking, you know. I'm actually making this for some guests. I'm not making this for myself, of course. But I'll be back later to show you the final result of when I get finished for preparing everything. Okay, here is all of the food that I've prepared for today. I'm gonna start with the seasonings first. Here I have some yellow onion chopped. This is about 4 yellow onions that I chopped here. And along with that I have my chopped celery, my chopped bell pepper, chopped garlic, my chopped green onion, my chopped parsley, and for the seafood I have my shrimp heads and shells to make my stock for my shrimp and grits, and I also have my peeled, clean, and deveined shrimp and my smoked sausage for my shrimp and grits as well. I also have my smoked sausage nice and chopped. Now this is going to be for the 2 pounds of red beans that I'm going to be cooking. And I also have a beef roast that I took and chopped up to make my yakami. And I also have my elbow macaroni for my crawfish macaroni and cheese. And I have my spaghetti for my yakami. And lastly, for the barbecue shrimp, I just have about 4 pounds of this shrimp here, and as you can see the shrimp is pretty big, and I'm going to be using this to make my barbecue shrimp. And there we have it. Man, like cooking all this stuff, preparing all these ingredients, man, it brought back a lot of memories. I mean, it's literally like cooking gumbo. Literally, like all the ingredients that you've seen on my table, that's like how many ingredients it takes to make a gumbo. So that's fine. Hey, what's up y'all? On today's segment I'm going to be cooking red beans and rice, and let me show you how it looks. It's actually almost finished. Let's get this stirred. As you can see, I have my pickle meat in there. Everything is looking pretty good. I'm going to cover this and I'm going to let this cook for about another 30 minutes. Okay, and here's red beans. I just got finished from cooking them. Took them out of the pot and put them in these 2 pans here. I mean, look at that. Look how nice and creamy that looks. Oh my goodness. I did this for some subscribers for my YouTube channel. They're gonna love this here. Oh yeah, good stuff. Hey, what's up y'all? Right now I'm in my kitchen. I'm cooking my yakami on the stove. Let me show you how that looks. It's my yakami here. Yeah, I got my beef strips for my yakami cooking. And I got my other pot over here. I'm gonna just do my shrimp stock in just a second. Yeah. I'm simmering these beef strips in this water here, in this broth. Now that I'm finished the crawfish macaroni and cheese, now I'm going to go ahead and get started with the shrimp and grits, and then I still have to do the barbecue shrimp. Okay, we've already gotten started with the shrimp and grits, and I've already made my roux and sauteed my meat and seasoned it. One thing I have to do is add the last of the shrimp stock in here. Dump on in there. Give this a quick stir until that roux and everything combines to that. Okay, I just finished from making the shrimp and grits, and this is it right here. And I just had a little tiny spoonful of this, and it is so good. Oh man. Alright y'all, here's my barbecue shrimp. I had made my sauce and added the shrimp into the sauce. As you can see, the shrimp is kind of already frozen. That's exactly what I wanted. I wanted my shrimp to be as fresh as possible since I bought them from the store. Put them in the freezer. So hey, what's up y'all? Today is the final day of shooting. Got so much going on right now with the food and everything. I'm a little late preparing the food. Actually, the food has to be ready by 3 and it's 2:18 now, so I gotta hurry up and get these grits finished. I forgot to do the eggs for the yakka meat, so I'm like, oh man, I forgot about that. But I think I'm really gonna be finished before 3. I'm praying that I do. I got the macaroni and cheese in the oven. I totally forgot about the macaroni and cheese. I'm like, man, what is wrong with me? Oh my goodness. But yeah, but I'm glad I'm getting started on this so I can get finished with it, and hopefully by 3 o'clock I'll be finished. But let me show you everything I'm doing. So right now I have the shrimp and grit sauce warming up. I got my milk and my butter going for my grits. I have my eggs. I gotta wait till that boils, and I have my yakka meat, which I have in there trying to heat up. Yeah, and I have my macaroni and cheese in the oven. Yep. Hey, what's up y'all? Good news. I finished all the cooking and all the preparation. I finished just in time because it's 3:01 and they haven't showed up yet. Like I said, I cooked this meal for my subscribers that came in town on my YouTube channel. So I'm going to go ahead and show you the final presentation on all the dishes. So let's go. Okay, here is the final presentation for all the food that I cooked. Right here I have the shrimp and grits, and over here I have the yakka meat. Here is the barbecue shrimp, and the crawfish macaroni and cheese. And there you have it. And that's it. I hope you all enjoyed the video. So until next time, take care, and I hope you all have a blessed day. Peace.